just go ahead. You can register as well with a new account, and it's going to connect that account to your Shopify.
This is very interesting because we all know Shopify gathers inside information and internal data, so they have an idea what people are making the most money with. So let's go over the details. As you can see over here, we have an e-commerce list of different businesses and products that are considered to be high-ticket items, and obviously people have been building stores and selling these items on Shopify. First of all, we have an apparel and footwear. As you can see over here, the data from Shopify simply indicates that retail sales for apparel and footwear are valued around $1.5 trillion worldwide. The number is set to increase by $2 trillion by 2026. To be honest, I've watched plenty of dropshipping videos for people in 2023 that they made a lot of money for selling footwear. In these cheap shoes, probably you saw the Facebook ads in these like cheap shoes for $5, $10, Obviously, this works, but you have to consider that you might have an issue with the sizing, considering that importing the shoes from China have a Chinese sizing. You're selling the shoes in Europe have a different sizing, and selling the shoes here in the US have a different sizing. So you want to make sure that you got things right, because there's a shipping associated with the shoes. It's not as easy as simply shipping a small items, right?